Did you know that nearly 1 in 3 adults don't get enough protein daily? That might not sound like a big deal, but protein is crucial for muscle growth, energy, and overall health. Low protein intake can lead to fatigue, muscle loss, and even a weakened immune system over time. So, what if I told you there are easy and creative ways to boost your daily intake without even noticing? Stick around. Like and subscribe, because today we're diving deep into the best ways to make sure you're getting all the protein you need to thrive. Protein is one of the most essential nutrients for our bodies. It plays a key role in muscle repair, immune function, hormone production, and even keeping you full throughout the day. Despite this, many people struggle to get enough, often without realizing it. Whether you're an athlete trying to maximize performance, a busy professional looking for convenient nutrition, or just someone who wants to maintain a healthy diet, finding innovative ways to increase protein intake can make a massive difference. In this video, we'll break down why protein is so important, the common challenges people face in getting enough, and most importantly, how you can overcome those challenges with smart, easy, and delicious solutions. Getting enough protein every day sounds simple, but in reality, there are plenty of obstacles that can get in the way. Let's take a look at some of the most common challenges. Busy lifestyles. Many people don't have the time to prepare balanced meals. Grabbing a quick snack or fast food option often leads to a diet low in protein and high in carbs and fats. Dietary restrictions. Vegetarians, vegans, and even those with food allergies can struggle to get sufficient protein, especially when they don't know the best plant-based or alternative protein sources. Lack of knowledge. Some people simply don't realize they're falling short. They might assume they're eating enough protein when, in reality, their diet is mostly composed of carbs and fats. Misconceptions about protein. Many people think protein is only for bodybuilders or that eating too much will make them gain weight. Others believe that plant-based proteins are inferior, which isn't always true. If any of these challenges sound familiar, don't worry. I've got plenty of solutions coming up that will help you increase your protein intake effortlessly. Now let's explore some of the best and most innovative ways to add more protein to your daily routine. These methods work whether you're at home, on the go, or even dining out. By making smart swaps, incorporating protein-packed snacks, and using supplements strategically, you can easily meet your protein needs without drastically changing your diet. 1. Protein-packed snacks. Rather than reaching for chips or candy, swap them out for high-protein options like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or beef jerky. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are also fantastic portable protein sources. If you prefer a crunchy snack, roasted chickpeas and edamame are great alternatives that pack a solid protein punch. 2. Smart meal swaps. Small substitutions in your meals can lead to a significant increase in protein intake. Instead of regular pasta, opt for lentil, chickpea, or edamame pasta to instantly add more protein. White rice can easily be replaced with quinoa or farro, both of which offer extra protein and fiber. And by adding beans or legumes to soups, stews, and salads, you can naturally increase your protein intake while keeping meals flavorful and satisfying. 3. High-protein breakfast options. Breakfast is an excellent opportunity to get a head start on your protein goals. Eggs are one of the most bioavailable protein sources and a great way to start the day. If you prefer smoothies, blending in some protein powder is an effortless way to boost intake. Ezekiel bread, which contains more protein than traditional wheat bread, is a great swap for regular toast. You can also try my personal favorite, overnight oats with chia seeds, Greek yogurt, and nut butter for a balanced protein-packed breakfast that keeps you full for hours. What's your favorite high-protein breakfast? Let us know in the comments below. 4. Using protein supplements. Effectively, protein powder isn't just for shakes. Get creative by mixing it into oatmeal, pancakes, or even coffee. Collagen peptides dissolve easily in drinks and provide benefits for skin, hair, and joints, while also contributing to your protein intake. Protein bars can be a convenient option, but it's important to check labels for hidden sugars and additives to ensure you're getting a high-quality product. 5. Sneaky ways to add protein. If you're looking for ways to add protein without drastically changing your diet, consider these sneaky tricks. Blend cottage cheese into pancake or waffle batter for an invisible protein boost. Stir egg whites into oatmeal to increase protein content without altering the taste. Use nut butters in smoothies, on toast, or even in sauces to add extra protein and healthy fats. Additionally, incorporating cheese, tofu, or tempeh into dishes that wouldn't normally have a lot of protein can make a big difference. 6. Cooking with high-protein ingredients. Choosing the right ingredients when cooking can have a big impact on your overall protein intake. Opt for lean meats, like chicken breast, turkey, or lean beef in your meals. Seafood such as salmon, tuna, and shrimp are excellent protein-rich options. If you prefer plant-based sources, experiment with lentils, chickpeas, and tempeh, which can be used in a variety of dishes to create satisfying protein-rich meals. Of all these methods, one of the most surprisingly effective ways to boost protein intake is protein-infused baking. This trick allows you to turn regular treats into powerful, high-protein snacks. Here are some simple ways to do it. Use protein powder in pancakes, muffins, and cookies. Replace some of the flour in recipes with almond or coconut flour for extra protein. Make protein-packed energy bites with oats, nut butter, and whey, or plant-based protein powder. I tested this method myself, and the results were amazing. The texture and flavor of the baked goods remained just as delicious, if not better, than traditional recipes. If you have a sweet tooth but still want to hit your protein goals, this is a game-changing strategy. To recap, hitting your protein goals doesn't have to be difficult. Small changes like choosing high-protein snacks, making smart swaps, using supplements, and experimenting with protein-infused baking can have a huge impact on your daily intake. The key is to find methods that fit your lifestyle so that getting enough protein becomes effortless. Whether you're a busy professional, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone looking to improve their diet, these strategies will help you stay on track. After incorporating these tips into your meal plans, you should be able to put on more muscle mass because your muscles will now get enough protein to expand. And while eating enough is important, what you avoid eating is just as important, especially if you're trying to lose stubborn belly fat. In this next video, I'll reveal the 10 worst foods that could be sabotaging your fat loss goals. Combine the information in these 2 videos, and you will get bigger in muscles and smaller in overall body fat, also known as being ripped.